How to connect Bitgate to Google Authenticator. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to connect Bitgate to Google Authenticator. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Bitgate application on a device. Now tap the square icon in the top left corner of the screen. Select the profile in order to access the user center. Next to profile, select security and then select Google Authenticator. If you haven't installed the Google Authenticator, simply you have to tap download on App Store or Google Play Store, and then you have to simply install the Google Authenticator application. Once installed, you have to open the application. And after that, you have to return to the Bitget application and tap next in order to generate a 16-digit key. You have to simply copy the key and go to the Google Authenticator application, and you have to add to it to generate a 6-digit verification code. You have to copy the generated 6-digit code from Google Authenticator and paste it back in the Bitget app. A confirmation prompt will appear. You have to indicating that Google Authenticator is successfully connected. You have to make sure that for security reason, I can't screen record the Google Authenticator process, but the steps here will guide you through it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.